Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for joining me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. I suppose I will call today's DIY a Rustic Floral Lantern. I will also be making a glam version of this, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But for now, let's get on to this DIY. So you're going to be needing 2 of these floral foam rings. Also, some of this burlap ribbon. I used 2 rolls. They come in 9 feet length, and it's just the burlap ribbon that has the lace in the middle. Also, some nautical rope. I didn't use too much of that, and then some twine. I have this one from Goodwill, but there are some at Dollar Tree. I also have these little butterflies. These LED candles were 25 cents each at the Dollar Tree, and then I also have these skewers, metal skewers. Everything's from the Dollar Tree, including all these bundle of flowers, and then some foam. What I'm going to do is trace the inside of the floral ring. As you can see, my camera is having issues once again with the focusing and unfocusing, so sorry about that, fellas. But I'm going to go ahead and cut around the circle that I just traced. And then my next step is going to be to hot glue the end of the burlap ribbon and then just wrap it all the way around the floral foam. After I hot glue that end of the burlap ribbon, I'm going to take that circle that I cut out and put some hot glue on it and then glue it on top of the ring. After pressing it down, I'm going to go ahead and hot glue the nautical rope all the way around just to cover those rough edges. As I mentioned, I didn't use a lot of it. This was the only thing I used it for. You could totally skip buying this and not waste $1 and just use some of your twine. Then I took the rings and laid one on top of the other, and I put the skewers right through them. You don't have to do it this way, but I thought that if I did it this way, it would be completely even, which it wasn't, and I'm going to be completely honest with you guys and tell you that it took me a long ass time to get these completely straight. I think it really took me like 10 minutes to make sure that these were really straight because they kept on looking really lopsided and I did not like it, so I kept working at it. After getting them as straight as possible, I took my twine and I made a knot right at the bottom, and then I hot glued it down, and then I twirled it all the way around the skewer, knotted it at the top, and then did the same thing and put some hot glue to hold it together. So I clipped all of my flowers and then just started arranging them all around the ring, and I think I overkilled it or something because it didn't quite turn out how I imagined. I think I overdid it with the flowers, but maybe not. I don't know. Either way, you guys can arrange this any way you like. You can put less flowers, more flowers, however you like it. But this is just the way that I started working on mine. And then, as you can see, as blurry as it is, I did put some hot glue on the ends or the tips to hold them in place. I felt like I needed a little bit more green, so I dug this out from my stockpile, and what I did was place them right around the skewer. So I had enough stems to do that, and I just thought it would look nice kind of wrapped around there like a vine. And then I also took some and placed them on the top ring towards the bottom. That makes sense, just so that it looked a little bit more fuller. And don't mind my RBF. If you guys don't know what that is, it's my resting bitch face. So I decided that the nautical rope was a little bit too thick for this, so I just took my twine, cut 3 pieces of the same length, and then I just tied them around the loops of the skewers. Alright everyone, so this is the final result. I think it might have been a little bit busier than what I imagined, but I still think it looks really pretty. You can put this in your patio. I mean, if you have a sunroom, you could even use these for wedding decor, any barnyard wedding, rustic wedding, and then you could even use these as centerpieces. I think they would look really pretty. Of course, you'd have to take the rope away, but that is it for now, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave me a thumbs up. It really truly helps me out so I can continue doing this for you guys. Also, leave any comments down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.